Welcome, I'm Taylor Hiraki with Navigating Change. Today I'm here with students from Kamiloiki Elementary who recently took the time to clean up their backyard at Maunalua Bay. So Nainoa, I heard you guys did an invasive algae cleanup. What exactly is invasive algae?
Invasive algae means it came from somewhere else and doesn't naturally belong in that area. When invasive algae is introduced in an ecosystem, it can disrupt or even wipe out the habitat for the native plants and animals.
So you're saying by removing invasive species, you're making room for native species. What kind of native species are living in Maunalua Bay?
Hawaiian seagrass is one of the species that gets overcrowded by invasive algae. When the invasive algae is removed, the native species come back. Invasive algae can also grow on the coral, which can destroy a habitat for a lot of fish and other creatures.
So the Nature Conservancy was there to weigh all the invasive algae that you guys brought up. How much did you guys actually bring in?
We removed almost 200 pounds that can be used for fertilizer.
So Noe, I heard you guys were doing another serious project on land. Can you tell me about some of the invasive plants you removed?
Well, the good news is that there are a lot of native plants in the area. We saw naupaka growing right above the beach, a kuliouou in the sanctuary, and we even saw some Milo trees, which is cool because our school is named Kamiloiki, which means little Milo tree.
So what did you do about the invasive plants?
Well, there are a number of invasive plants in the area, and our group went to remove some of those plants. The plant that really got in the way of our work was the kiawe tree, because it has thorns like this long.
I saw the plot you cleared. It looks a lot better now. So Gabrielle, what were you guys doing down at the stream?
Well, Kuliouou stream is lined with concrete, which makes the water come down off the land a whole lot faster. Sediments in a normal stream are filtered before they reach the sea. In a lined stream, those sediments travel out to the reef and cover it with a thick, muddy mess. These sediments block out the sun and can kill the coral. You also end up with more pollutants and excess nutrients leaking out into the sea, which is what we were testing for.
I also noticed that you guys were doing something with the sand. What were you guys doing?
Yeah, we were sifting through the sand and identifying the creatures that live there. We also noticed that there is more life near a stream because of the nutrients it brings down from the land to the sea.
You guys sure learned a lot at Maunalua Bay, but more importantly, you guys became stewards to your own backyard community.
Yeah, it was good to help out and it was fun too.
Hey, thanks for coming out today, guys. Get involved in your community and navigate change in your backyard.